All right, guys, day 5 or Friday, I guess it's day 4 technically. We're gonna do our last day of math for the week. You need this that's glued in your notebook, and you need your last day, your last paper that you should have in your packet. How many fewer children drink juice than milk? Show your work. Okay, so how many fewer children drink juice than milk? Well, look here. This is how many drink milk. This is how many drink juice. How many fewer drink juice than milk? You got 2 extra milk, so that means 2 fewer. So you can write 5 take away 3 equals 2 on your paper underneath of this, and that will be correct, okay? Then we're going to do one more pictograph for math. I am not going to help you with this. Besides, I'm going to read the questions to you so you know them. Okay? Number 1. How many children chose soup for lunch? Sorry, I couldn't see it backwards. How many children chose soup for lunch? Write your answer. Pause this if you need to. I'm going to number 2. Number 2. How many children chose a sandwich for lunch? How many children chose a sandwich for lunch? Notice right here it says each mouth stands for 1 child. Number 3. How many children chose pizza for lunch? Miss Wright is so hungry right now, and that sounds so good. How many children chose pizza for lunch? Okay, number 4. How many fewer children chose soup than pizza? Figure that out. Pause and figure that out. How many fewer children chose soup than pizza? Number 5. How many more children chose soup than sandwiches? How many more children chose soup than sandwiches? Number 6. Make sure you're pausing to find your answers and don't just rush through and guess, okay? You can pause, do the problem, hit play again, and I'll read you the next one, okay? Number 6. How many children are represented on the graph in all? Gotta count every single mouth up there on the graph. How many children are represented on the graph in all? Number 7. How many more children chose pizza than a sandwich? How many more children chose pizza than a sandwich? How many children, number 8, how many children chose soup and pizza? How many children chose soup and pizza? Number 9. How many children chose sandwich and soup? How many children chose sandwiches and soup? Okay, y'all finish. Pause in between each question and answer them. Also, you have to finish the side of your math big sheet that you're on, okay? Finish the week and we'll do the other side next week, but finish the one you're on, all right? And you'll be done for the week. Have a good weekend.